Hey Gold Diggers, Dave Eggleton here. A couple more weeks left within 2017, so let's make sure we get a good push before the first. Today's exercises, we're going to focus on arms. We're going to do a bicep exercise first, and then we're going to do kind of a modified tricep exercise. So I'm started in a seated position. I have a bench that goes to a seated position, but if you want to use a chair or even some type of stool, that would work as well. And I'm going to be using dumbbells. This exercise, we're going to go for 3 sets of 10 like we normally do. However, at 5, I'm going to switch it a little bit. We're going to do what's called a superset. A lot of times with a superset, you'll do a set of 10 of the exercise that you wanted to do, and then you'll go to another similar exercise that's going to work on the same muscle group, and then you'll try to do another set of 10 as well. So you're really getting the burn out of that muscle. So we're going to do something similar to that today, but we're going to switch it up. So I'm going to start with a dumbbell in my left and right hand. In a seated position, I want to start on my left side first. Once I get to 5, I'm going to curl both the weights at the same time. That was 5 on each side. So now I'm going to go doubles. Okay, so that was my first set. I would continue for 2 more sets. One thing that you want to try and remember while you're doing that, it doesn't have to be exactly as tight as possible, but you want to try to keep your elbows closer to your core, so you're going to try and isolate your bicep muscle. So I'm going to take my bench. I'm going to make it to a flat position. If you had a small bench in your house, even a chair in your house, you could do this. I start in a seated position. And then I'm going to kind of just scoop my feet out from here. I want my arms to be a little bit wider than shoulder width so that I don't rub on my elbows. And once I get my butt off the bench and I have my body weight on my arms, I'm going to try to go down to a 90-degree position with my arms for a set of 10. So we're going to stick with this for 3 sets of 10 as well. This is focusing on your tricep. So during that exercise, I want to try and keep my arms tight as well. I want to try not to bend my elbows out too much. If you keep them nice and tight, you're really going to feel a good burn in your triceps. So both exercises, you're going to go for 3 sets of 10. You can modify it. If it's too easy for you, you can go more in reps, or if you want to go up in weight, you can do that as well. Thank you.